Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, and it is mainly Christmas stuff because that is what's all over the stores. I was actually thinking of doing a shop with me because there's so many things in stores that are just so cute I don't really need. So I think that would be the best bet instead of just buying stuff to show you guys because ain't nobody got time for that. But let me show you some of the really cool things that I found this week. I finally found the wine bottle bag. I've been looking for this since last year, and the only one that I can find was the one that looked like a little Santa suit, which is super cute, but I really didn't want that one. So I found the one that says do not open until December 25th. Now, if you are anything like my family, this has been since I was a kid, we always opened our present. Christmas for us is the 24th. We celebrate, we party, and then at midnight, my parents would let us open presents, so I was always beat the next morning, but I woke up super happy. I think maybe 2 Christmases we opened the morning of the 25th. But yeah, so I bought the do not open until December 25th. And believe in the magic of Christmas. They're so beautiful. I love the burlap, and you don't have to use them for wine bottles. It would be really good if you're giving somebody like a makeup palette or anything that is like long. All you have to do is tie it here, put it under your tree, and be done with it. So this is a really good idea if you have a uniquely shaped gift that isn't too big. I was really happy with their selection of stockings. They look so much nicer as the years go by. And I found this really cute one with the reindeer on it. And this reindeer looks a lot like my friend Randolph. So it's almost like he has his own little stocking this year. Look at them, they're twinsies. I also have one with Santa, and this is so cute. This is actually stitched on, so I'm pretty sure you can remove it if you wanted to use this for something else. And then I found these, which I used in my last video for my stocking holders. That is one of my favorite videos ever. I say that about all my videos, but it's just like I put so much time and energy into creating stuff that I always end up being so proud. I think there's like maybe one video on my whole channel that I didn't love, and that was when I first started out, and it was a collaboration that I rushed. But anyway, that's for another video. I have this stocking, which I really love. It's burlap with the gold with the red glitter snowflakes. And then this one, which has a silver glitter snowflakes. I can't talk, I'm so sorry. I just think they look really nice and fancy, and they go really well together. I purchase this every year, and whether I use it on a craft on my channel or personal crafts, I love this because it reminds me of my childhood. It's the little light up necklace with the old school lights. This reminds me so much of my childhood. My parents always did the colorful lights outside. As we got older and things started to change, we of course did the clear icicle lights, and I still decorate that way. But this just reminds me of a simpler time when Christmas was super duper colorful. Speaking of colorful, I found these glitter stickers, and they have little Christmas trees, snowflakes, reindeers, and this would be really cute to decorate little cards with or to craft with your kids. My daughter's coming home with so many cute little crafts with stickers all over the place. I just love arts and crafts. I had to hide these from my daughter because I'm pretty sure as soon as she sees them, she's gonna want to stick them all over the house. But I just love this, especially to decorate a gift with. They had these little LED Christmas trees. Now these Christmas trees are meant to light up. I don't love that they light up red. Oh, just kidding. They light up different colors. The camera isn't picking it up, but it goes from red to green to purple. That's really cool. I like it so much more now. This would be really cute just to have on your little village as display. I kind of wish you had the option of keeping it in just one solid color, but I do like that it has the different colors on there, so this is really cute. These are my favorite ornaments. I purchased some last year or the year before and used them on a wreath, and they looked so good, but I wanted to use them in something else, so it's the Snowflake Ornament with a little bit of the pine and some bells. It's so amazing how something so simple could look so good. Sometimes simple things look so good instead of busy and crazy because Christmas has a lot of colors as is, so little things like this, I love it. I purchased glitter pine cones for my glam loving friends out there. I do have different decor videos coming out. I don't want to do just farmhouse, although I am going to do different variations of that. My last video that I did was pretty much inspired by the decoration when I used to go to Disney World. I made a two-tiered tray, and that tray reminds me so much of the carousels there. If you've been to Disney during Christmas, it is so gorgeous. And every year the decorations change, but that reminds me very much of my first Christmas when I went there. Everything was very classic and white and red. I just love it. So I might do glam next, or I'm not quite sure. I'm just gonna do different things on my channel. But I purchased this for a video idea. These are not Christmas items, but they are so beautiful and they would make great personalized gifts. They're these little monogram notebooks. They come in different colors, and of course they have different letters. So if you have somebody that you're a little confused on what to get them, picking something up like this and adding like a cute little like stationery set would be perfect. Look at these colors. And I think they had a few more. Obviously, every letter had a different color, but these were my two favorite, and I actually am including this in a gift. I love that their Christmas signs are getting bigger and bigger, and they're getting better in quality. Look at this sign. It is a giant ornament. It looks so vintage and cute. What I mean by vintage, I don't mean like real vintage. I just mean like my childhood vintage. Now I feel old. But I love it. I think it looks so beautiful. You can make so many things with this, or just keep it as is. This is beautiful on its own. You don't always have to change things up, but at least you have the option to. And then I found the Let It Snow one. I love the red that they used on this. Reminds me very much of the older Coca-Cola Christmas ads with the Santa. I love it. And I know I'm saying that a lot in the video, but I really do love all of this stuff. I remember as a kid, decorating for Christmas was always really expensive. There were very few places that had nice things, so we kind of kept the same decorations every year because it was just not logical to get rid of perfectly good things, which it's still not. But I love that even somebody on a budget can decorate their home, their office, their tiny little first apartment, whatever. It is so affordable to do it now. I love Dollar Tree so much, guys. These are so pretty. I hate glitter so much. It's so beautiful, but it's so messy. They're so... It just fell on me, and I am going to have glitter forever. So I purchased these for the same glam video idea. I am going to spray them with hairspray. Hopefully that will keep this from going all over the place. But everything that was in this bag is now coated with glitter. Other than that, look how beautiful these are. This is just so gorgeous if you can get past getting glitter in unmentionable places when you're done using it. Not a Christmas item, but I think it's convenient for this time of the year if you live somewhere where it's really snowy, or just the fact that it's raining a whole lot. These are front seat floor mats. My car doesn't have the leather floor mats, so I like using this for this time of year just so I don't get everything wet and gross. Cars do start to smell after a while, especially with all the in and outs and the snowing. So I thought this was a really good buy for $1. And you can even put this in your house right by your entrance so you can leave your boots on. Dollar Tree does have a thing that you can use for your boots, but I haven't been able to find them. So in the meantime, I'm going to be using this. We had our first snow day, and I am so thankful that everything melted right away. I'm just not ready. I'm not ready for that kind of commitment. I'm not ready for the shoveling. I'm just not ready, guys. I'm not ready. So that's it for me. I really didn't get a lot of things, but all of these things are going to be put to use. I do have a YouTube channel and I craft twice a week. But for all the things that I see that I'm really not using, I always like to go and donate them or put them together for people that I know really don't have the time or the money. Sometimes you just want to make somebody's day. Think about the college kids that can't afford to fly home, or the single moms who can't decorate their home for Christmas or can't get their kids a gift. Little things that you put thought behind it can change somebody's day. It can change somebody's everything. And I'm saying that from experience from growing up. Sometimes when people show you just a small amount of kindness, it sticks to you. And let's be real, we haul and we buy things all the time that we really don't need. So please consider donating, donate your time, be kind to people. It doesn't have to be just the holidays, but remember the holidays brings out a lot of emotions for people. People get really sad, people are reminded that they can't afford things. So if you can go out there and make someone's day or help someone out, please do that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Sorry for that rant. I just wanted to get that off my chest. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and until next time.